Hey, this video was done a few years ago. I was decluttering digital files and I came across it and I was going to delete it because it was done at a time when my hair was really short. I lived in a different place. I'm talking about my bedroom. But then I watched the video and the video is actually very good. The reason most likely I never did post it is because the whole video, I'm really not looking at the camera. I'm looking aside like this. Like my head is straight, but I'm like this. And that's most likely because I just got a new iPad and I was recording on that. And you can't see where the camera lens is. I watched the video. It's actually very good, so I'm going to post it. Funny thing is I'm wearing the same dress that I wore then. And that could be a whole nother video, maybe on like minimalist clothing or something like that. Because if I like it, I keep it. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel and I have helped you, this could help me. So it'd be like a win-win for both of us. So there's that. And another thing really fast is I have a community on SKOOL where I help people. We are together during this time. It's very human and I really care about you. So if you want to know about that, that is in the description or in the comments, okay? Tell me what you think about the video. We're doing a video today on one hack that you can do to keep your room either totally tidy and clean all the time perpetually, like you have a self-cleaning room, or how you can get your room decluttered and cleaned up if it is a mess without feeling overwhelmed. And this is the exact same thing that you would do for both of them, okay? So here's what you're going to do. After you're done with your morning, where you're ready to go for the day and you're about to, leave your bedroom, you're dressed, you're washed, you're showered, all of that, don't just leave your room. Make this a habit that you do this regularly. This is now a part of my morning routine. I set a timer for 7 minutes. I'm doing this for a few years now. It works just beautifully. Set a timer for 7 minutes. If your room is tidy and clean right now, you're just going to do stuff for the 7 minutes. Now, I have to let you know that if your room is tidy and clean, it isn't going to take 7 minutes. You'll be done before that. But I still set my timer for 7 minutes just because, okay? There are some times that you're going to be happy that you have the 7 minutes. Like, let's say the night before you just went to a wedding or something. So you know how that could be, right? You might have things out that normally it just wouldn't happen because of the situation. And then also, if you don't know about this, we have like this way that we clean up the house using zones. And so if it happens to be the zone, the bedroom zone, then the 7 minutes will be great because I'll do more than just tidy up for that 7 minutes. I'll actually clean, wipe things down, get cobwebs, that kind of thing. So if your room is tidy and clean, you're going to set the timer for 7 minutes and you're going to just do stuff in there. Anything that you do. And then when you're done, whether the 7 minutes is up or not, you leave the room. Now, if your room is not tidy, if it's a total disaster, you're going to do the same thing. You're going to set a timer for 7 minutes and you're going to make it a habit that this is what you do every time. And before you leave the room, when you're done with your morning and you're dressed and all of that, you're going to do stuff in that room, whatever. It doesn't matter what you do. You're going to just chip away at that room a little bit at a time every day. It won't be overwhelming. And before you know it, that room is going to be all decluttered and ready to be cleaned, where you'll actually wipe stuff down, dust, vacuum, wash the floor if you don't have a rug, cobwebs, that kind of thing, okay? Now, how you do it during that time is you don't want to leave the room with stuff, because if you leave the room with stuff, what ends up happening is you get distracted and you never get back to the room. So gather up things in the bedroom that don't belong in the bedroom and you'll put them in a little pile. When you're all done, when the 7 minutes is up, then you'll take that pile out of the room with you. If you have a basket, put it in a basket, better yet, but you don't have to have a basket, just make a pile. Leave the room with that pile and then put them in the rooms that they belong in. You don't have to put them away in the rooms that they belong in. If their rooms are a mess, just put them in that room, okay? Pick up garbage, throw garbage out, and tidy up a surface. Maybe you have jewelry out that can go into the jewelry box. You have clothes that have to either get put away, or maybe you have dirty clothes that have to go in the hamper. You don't have to care about what you're going to do for that 7 minutes. You're just going to keep going and do stuff for 7 minutes. Once you're done, you're done. Do it again tomorrow. Now, here's a little something that you're going to have to do so that the room doesn't get messy as you're cleaning it. You don't want the mess to have any babies, right? So you're going to do something that I call the Status Quo Principle. And you're going to make this a new habit too. You're going to make it that the room stays in the status quo. It stays just like it is. So when you go back into that room in the morning, at night, before bed, whenever you need to go in that room, you're going to keep in your memory the Status Quo Principle, and you're not going to create any more mess. So if it's in your hand, there's a habit that we have called it goes where it goes. So if it's in your hand, it goes where it goes. So that's that for this. Set a timer for 7 minutes and do this every day, whether your room is clean or whether your room is messy, okay? Now, before you go, if you found this helpful, can you please leave a comment? It helps to have other people see it. So if I've helped you, that's how you could help me. By leaving a comment or liking this video, that would just be wonderful, okay? If you have anything that you'd like me to do a video on, let me know. All right, so thanks a lot for being with me. I really, really appreciate you. My name is Kathy Roberts, and the Tidy Tutor.